Everyone, welcome to the channel. As I mentioned yesterday, this is the important level to look out in Nifty. Market reversed exactly from that very level today. So after seeing good rejections here, I got a hint of buyers here. So I immediately went long in Nifty at this very candle. So a lot of people would have shorted here after seeing a good red candle from the same zone from where the market fell yesterday. But I didn't go short. Instead, I went long here after these rejections. I'll tell you the reason why I went long instead of going short after this rejection here. Huge red candle here at the same zone from where market fell yesterday. The reason is the market fell very good on 10th of August, but the buyers brought it back to this level. And even yesterday, the market fell from this place to the next demand zone here. But like again, buyers bought this price to this level. It has a resistance here. The price again stopped here. The price has a resistance here. So if the market opens on the upper side, this should act as a support. So after seeing these rejections, I understood this is acting as a support, and I went long, keeping my stop loss below this support. So the first trade I took is this. I kept my stop loss just below this zone, and my target to the previous day high. This was my target. So this is the first trade I took with a risk reward ratio of 1:2, more than 1:2. So after this trade, I waited for another opportunity. Actually, I could have gone long here also, but like Bank Nifty is still facing resistance at this zone at the important level I mentioned yesterday. So I didn't have confirmation. Like trading in indices in both Nifty and Bank Nifty is very helpful, as like you'll get multiple confirmations on both Nifty and Bank Nifty. You need not worry about one confirmation. Like so, Bank Nifty also started reversing from the same zone I mentioned yesterday, and got rejection at the zone I asked you to look out for. So the reason behind mentioning this zone is Bank Nifty reversed from this place after having a good fall on 10th August, and on 11th August, after having a very good fall, Bank Nifty broke this level and checked down in the demand zone and came back to the same zone and got rejection here. So even today, if the price is at this level, this zone should act as a rejection if the price is below this. So the same thing happened. Bank Nifty got a rejection at this level, and this was in this zone. As this is today is an expiry day, mostly all Thursdays will be choppy, like market will be in a range. So Bank Nifty didn't have much movement today. So we have discussed about the important levels today. So I will also mark important levels for tomorrow. So if the market opens gap down, these are the important levels to look out for. This level is still valid here. This level is still valid here. It faced a rejection and it reversed from from this zone again. So this level is still valid here again, and the level which you could remove is this. This is the level which you could remove. So you could have removed this level. So these are the important levels for tomorrow in Nifty. So if it is a gap up, the market would come back to this level again and check here and go upside. Or if it is a gap down in between this level, the market could face resistance here and check this level again. And these are the two important supports on the downside, and this is the support zone if the market opens on the upper side. So let us check Bank Nifty also. So this should be the important level in Bank Nifty, this entire zone. It opened here and closed almost at the same place. So this entire level would be important tomorrow. On the upper side, this level is still valid. On the lower side, this demand zone is also valid. If price is in between this zone, don't trade. If it is a gap up, the price could come back and check at this level. Let us take this here too. This could be a support zone again, but like this need to be. So this could act as a support zone again here if market is opened on the upper side. If it is a gap up, this could act as a support, and this is the resistance to look out for tomorrow in Bank Nifty. Thanks for watching.